Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, so para sa mga air signs tong reading na to, we will see what are the energies coming to you in the next 7 days from the time na mapanood nyo yung reading na to dahil ito ay isang timeless reading. So anytime na mapanood nyo to, as long as makaka-resonate kayo, this reading is for you. Ayan. So, let's see what are the energies. So, paalala lang, I will not message you or follow you para mag-offer ng services. So, mag-ingat kayo sa mga fake accounts and scammers. Okay? Kung gusto niyo ng private reading, just go to my website, mrqueenph.com, or you can book directly sa aking calendar. Link on the description, comment section, or in bio. Okay? So, next 7 days for air signs, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. What's the energy? New moon. Okay, so new moon, this is new beginnings, new opportunities, new emotions, no? For some of you. So let's see what else. I think you're also setting an intention. Meron kang gustong simulan. Can be a project or start a new relationship. Okay. You have Neptune energy. So I think this is something na creative venture or project for you na gusto mong i-explore. But at the same time, pinag-iisipan mo rin whether this is going to be fulfilling for you. Siyempre, paano mo malalaman yan kung hindi mo susubukan? Oo. Kaya ngayon, I feel like you are going for your instinct and intuition eh. Kumbaga, going with the flow. Ayan. Baka ano rin, hindi mo na rin i-overthink yung situation. Let's see what else for Gemini in the next 7 days. Ooh, transformation. That makes sense kasi nga, new moon is starting something new. You are starting a new project, starting a new relationship, business, ano man tong interest mo related to your creativity, your imagination. Okay? So some of you, you are into arts, writing, poetry, painting, ano man tong talents and skill set mo. Now, so of course, something is ending. So maaring isa rin yun sa pinag-iisipan mo whether you will go full-time dito sa bagong susubukan mo or, mag-e-end na yung isang opportunity for you na sa tingin mo, it's no longer aligned to the direction na gusto mong tahakin. So, kumbaga yung goals mo, hindi na siya aligned sa goals mo. Wow, you have the sun. Very much inspired ang energy ninyo. The sun is about yung confidence mo sa sarili mo. This is also very playful. So definitely I see a very creative path for you in the next 7 days. Pwedeng may travel opportunities. It's like happiness eh. All happy. Parang ganyan. Some of you pwede ring yeah, hindi naman lahat, but some, if you are sexually active, so pwedeng may possibility of pregnancy. Okay. You have the Wheel of Fortune. Oh my God. So, air signs, you are being directed to your destiny in the next 7 days. So, kumbaga, itong pagbabago na to na nangyayari sa life mo, major change ito sa inyo. That makes sense because si Uranus is already in the sign of Gemini. Oh. So maaring merong major change or sudden opportunities, breakthroughs for you related to your passion o kaya yung iyong talents and skill set or anything that will make you feel happy. You have the Champion of Wands. So this is your fire, yung action na gagawin mo. I see na wala kang palalagpasin na pagkakataon. Kumbaga, tuloy-tuloy, no? In the next 7 days, maaring magiging busy ka, travel opportunities as well. Kung meron kayong maririnig na uh, ingay sa background, that is my ano, youngest. Maingay talaga siya. Okay. You have, new moon. I'm telling you, air signs. Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, meron talagang pagbabago, like a new opportunity coming in. Sabi dito, trust all will be well. O yan, magtiwala ka lang daw sa kung ano man tong magaganap na to sa buhay mo kasi it is going to be for your own good. Mm-mm. Grabe, nakakaloka. Pero sabi rin, tignan nyo, merong new moon in Virgo, okay? So, new beginning. Meron ding full moon. So, it only means that there is something that you need to release para mas makapagsimula ka. This is a clear message for you. Ayan o, take inspired action. Diba? What did I tell you? You're going to be inspired. You will be more creative and happy to transform and change your life in the next 7 days. Wow. Congratulations, air signs. So that is your reading. Thank you so much. See you again.